What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Milady fam, I am back with another video for you guys. Just an update video. Not really much news happening right now for ladies. We got a nice bullish news in yesterday's video, where KuCoin themselves put out a nice blog post about ladies. So you know, even the tier 1 centralized exchanges are bullish on ladies. I do believe there's gonna be potential for, you know, Binance or Coinbase listing in the future for ladies. We also saw they got the partnership with DWF Labs. I tell you guys from this last video I made that you should do your research when I made this video with the partnership. Do your research on that, man. That is a huge asset manager, and they're bullish on ladies. They got themselves a bag of ladies, you know, and who knows, they might be buying dips along the way. And you know, whenever the bull market starts to fully go into full effect, absolutely send ladies to the moon, right? So keep an eye out for that, guys. As always, not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. I went on a rant for a little bit before even saying, you know, the typical spiel that you gotta say for YouTube. And if you hold ladies, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, get it to 10,000 views, ladies fam. We take a look at the ladies chart right now, sitting at $25 million in market cap, $3.6 million in 24-hour trade volume. But as you guys can see on the 1-day chart, in the 7-day chart, we're starting an uptrend, guys. We had a low back here, 3-1, and we've been making this move up on the 7-day. As you guys can see, we're making higher lows on the 7-day chart. So now we're back to 342, 341. And if this trend continues, guys, guess what's gonna happen? You see this? Look at that. Just zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Even on the 1 month, you could see the ladies chart is starting to make a move to the upside. I gotta zoom in on it and get a better chart because the CMC chart isn't that on point. Mikey bullish on ladies, QK bullish on ladies, BJL, best meme token to buy now is lady meme. Let me pull up the trading tools real quick so we could get a better look at the chart, guys, because you could see the uptrend for ladies, guys. You could see there's an uptrend forming on the 1 month chart, right? Look at this. You can see that, man. It is forming this uptrend right now, which is pretty nice. I like what I see with that, guys. That is very bullish. That is a very bullish trend. It probably is let's see, compare it to Bitcoin real quick. So yeah, Bitcoin already started to make a move back up, so it's pretty much tied in with the Bitcoin, the lead market mover. But you can see it's looking like it's ready to continue this uptrend, guys. So like I said, now would be a very nice entry if you're looking to get into the project. Obviously DCA in as always. Don't just drop your whole bag into the project. But these are the days that you buy. You buy the red days, right? They had people buying, like I said, at these levels and these levels up here. But right now, especially since it's starting an uptrend, this is the range that you want to get into, ladies, man. That's the range that you want to get into, ladies, and then you DCA in. You never know how far the project could potentially go from here, guys. Let me make sure I delete this. I don't want to delete any of my lines that I made. I'm actually super proud of these lines that I drew, guys, because it basically followed, like, you know, my support lines and resistance lines that I drew. So we get back above this line right here, this blue line. Let me extend it out. It's probably gonna move. Yeah, let me extend it out and show you. Get above this resistance line and this resistance line right here over on this side. You know, we flip these into support with this continuous uptrend we got. It could be a bullish, could be potential bullish price action for ladies. But if we get bearish, I'll be realistic and let you guys know, hey, we're bearish right now. But so far so good. Great entry for the project. Let's take the comparison off. And you can see, man, it's looking like it's making it's starting a trend. It's starting to flip the trend and start to get a bit more bullish, especially on the 7-day chart, right? So very nice stuff from ladies. Twitter, lost some followers on Twitter, 65.8k followers on Twitter. You know, when it comes to projects, the hype and the awareness starts to die down a bit, and then, you know, you lose a bit of followers. But just one moment, one little catalyst, and all of a sudden huge volume comes in, huge noise comes in, everybody's talking about the project again. These are the times you buy the project, when it's not as much hype, when there's not as much things going on. This is the time you you know, get some exposure, because you get in before the pumps, right? You anticipate the pump, right? If you're getting in the pump, it's already too late. If you're getting in at the green candles, it's already too late. You get in when it's kind of like, you know, not really making so much noise, right? That's the time that you start to get into projects, right? And then all of a sudden, when the noise starts to happen, the catalyst, all kinds of things happen, boom, you could take some profits, or you could just hold and be up, right, in profit going into the next bull cycle. Harness the lightning of innovation and break free from the chains of tradition with ladies. The memes are hilarious, I gotta say. Says sail on a voyage of discovery with ladies as your compass explores uncharted territories in the crypto space and redefine what's possible. And yeah, very nice engagement. You know, this is a meme coin, so they're gonna be making memes constantly, right? And that's what you expect from a meme token. You could take a look at the Pepe Twitter. It's basically the same thing, right? The Pepe Twitter is just, you know, a bunch of memes, right? Make sure it's the correct Pepe. Okay, this one right here. 42k followers, and what are they doing? They're just tweeting memes. Look at that. They just tweet memes, big green dildos, right? So yeah, guys, that's what you could expect from meme coins, man. I think once Pepe starts to explode, we'll see meme coins explode again. Had a bunch of consistent ladies tweets. Had this one pulled up from Crypto Smash. You can see right here, he's anticipating a 42% move to the upside from here because of the uptrend that is being formed for ladies. You can see that right here, guys. Open the image so I could zoom in a bit and show you. Right here, zoom in a bit and show you guys, just like that, man. You can see the pattern is forming for this uptrend. He's expecting a 41% move. You know, I see like a 60% move. Maybe we break this previous resistance right here and go to that 0607 mark, right? In that range. From Bin Soning, believe me, once you really understand ladies, you will definitely fall in love with her. And you can no longer be attracted to buy other coins, and your wealth will grow endlessly. This is the Asian community that is a part of the ladies community, guys. That is very bullish to see. You want to see investors from all different walks of life, from all different places in the world, because guess what? When they're sharing information about the project, that's gonna be, you know, the Asian market getting hit, the English market, the Dutch, French, you know, these different places, right? That's what you like to see in projects. Another person from the Asian community, applying PA technology. Yesterday I made a lady short order and a falling structure of M15. So right here, people are trading ladies, right? He's putting in a short. I'm not mad at it. He made a short on ladies from this range back down to here. Now you can see we're going sideways, but I think we're gonna make a move up from here. I could be wrong, obviously, but you know, I'm seeing the trend, and the trend is your friend, guys. That's one of the sayings people always say. The trend is your friend. But yeah, people are trading the project from different walks of life, and that's what it's all about, right? You could the project can maintain consistent trade volume. That is great for the ladies project, that they can maintain consistent trade volume, right? $3.6 million in trade volume. Right now the volume is down 12%, but one little catalyst or one bullish momentum, something happens. Since it's on these tier 1 exchange listings, you never know if whales might FOMO in, or DWF Labs, my apologies, does something. You never know, something could potentially happen out of nowhere, or the market in general could just flip bullish, and the market could become way more bullish, and then all of a sudden we got people getting into the project, right? Because guys, there's a lot of projects that never make it to tier 1 exchanges, and we already know, man. I tell you guys, Crypto.com is one of those exchanges that a lot of US investors take part in. When it comes to Crypto.com is the easiest way for them to get access to crypto, because it's US based, right? Obviously it is international. A lot of other different countries are using the exchange, or other different countries, you know, engage with trading on the exchange, but majority of people that I've seen crypto, a lot of them use Crypto.com. And I'm thinking going into the next bull market, right, when everybody's super amped, there's people that don't know about Uniswap and PancakeSwap. They don't know about you know, DeFi in general. They don't know about MetaMask, Trust Wallet, none of that, right? The first place they're gonna go to is tier 1 exchanges, and we know the US revenue, or the US buyers, the United States buyers, are some of the biggest market movers in crypto. We saw it last year. Majority of the senders that we got was from people in, you know, the US, right? So we could see that again with ladies, because it's listed on Crypto.com, and you know, there's only a few other meme coins listed on Crypto.com, and one thing we know for sure is that retail investors love meme coins. They really do love meme coins. They go all out for meme coins, guys, I'm telling you, right? So whenever the bull cycle comes back and everything is exploding in crypto, you got yourself a bag of ladies. There's no telling how much retail FOMO will take place on Crypto.com into ladies. Now obviously there's going to be other meme coins that that, you know, start to make moves, start to pump to the upside, has nice price action. But the best part about ladies is that it's a new project. It's still new, so there's not many underwater bag holders. For example, other meme coins typical to other meme coins on Crypto.com. No disrespect to like dogecoin Mars, but that already experienced a bull market, right? From what I've seen people talk, from what I've seen people say, is when a project hasn't experienced a bull market yet, that's a good time to get into a project, because it doesn't have a lot of underwater bag holders, and you know, as soon as it starts pumping, they sell out. They're getting out of the project, because guess what, they've been underwater for like years, right? So with ladies, since it's so brand new, since it hasn't seen a bull market, it more than likely will outperform a lot of other meme coins. And I say the same thing about Pepe. It's gonna outperform a lot of other meme coins because it's new and it hasn't seen a bull market yet, right? So keep an eye out for that. Shout out to also SIGP, got a little bit more ladies. He's just adding to his stack. Look at that, man. 5.4 billion added to the stack, man. And you see what he's using to buy Crypto.com. You know, there's a lot of people, for example, that are into DeFi, always buying off Ethereum. Normally, like, to get ladies, they would use Uniswap, right? They would go get their Ethereum swap on Uniswap with MetaMask or Trust Wallet, but there's still investors, a lot of investors, like I said, that prefer to use exchanges to buy, like a Crypto.com, that is a trusted, one of the best and most trusted exchanges, right? And I think when retail does get back into the space, when a lot of them do, that's the first place they're gonna buy. They're gonna see ladies pumping, because the whole market is gonna be pumping. And guess what it's gonna do? It's gonna make ladies send even more, right? 50x to 100x. I wouldn't rule it out. You never know if it even goes to 300x, because it's a meme coin. Meme coins have so much more volatility, right? So we'll see what happens with ladies, guys. If you hold a project, again, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, blow this video up, make it go viral, get it to 10,000 views. Let's see if this uptrend continues. I'll keep the updates coming for you guys, man. Share it on Twitter, ladies fam. Let's blow this video up. Also, join the Patreon, link is in the description. Buy alerts, sell alerts, all the private info, to get you a lot more gains in crypto. You got to join the Patreon, guys. Thanks for watching once again. I'll catch you in the next